I'm gonna put
That's big pointers. I'm saying like on the slight, on the slight,
I will go on if the boy ever touch my chicken tonight. A problem. Pure problem. Can you name buy none put ya? Huh? I will go on and see me. I love you with you. Just touch my blood clot barbecues and my buy today. And you know much, guys? Hey, how much money buy for my chicken? And put on today. Touch that. Cause I'm gonna like cook food. Don't touch my things them. Baby, let's go. Don't touch my things them. Still we want and throw it from my blood clot chicken. I'm sensation them give you my buy. Oh really? Because even more than my love. That's why I'm not really cook nothing. Hey, stop making that noise, okay?
Alright, we out.
Ready? Bye, y'all! Catch us back. Well, big. Catch us back up.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, yeah, people, we're about to get a whole lot of OnlyFans content in the coming week because internet sensation Ivany boyfriend, I think King Ban's his name, is in town. Put in the comment section what you think about that because me did tell you already. All of these captains save me hoes on TikTok where I say Ivany and them sister and all of these things, and I look up the girl Punani for that keyboard them much, you know what I mean? Because this is what our girls been doing. Just see what I say. But nevertheless, let's hear what I'm going for not to go on and proceed with the next.
Don Julio! Hey, opening on my blood clot, mother them not over here, you know. Cause could my front you want look up in here. Leave! Batty girl and sodomite and batty man. Hey. If none of my mother them, my auntie them, father, uncle, cousin over here, lift up. Let the blood clot younger generation them enjoy. 20s, 30s, 40s and 18s over here. All of my mothers and my sister and my father, them want to come out of my chat. Come in over here. Because I look like old age I ride on the hand. But I come get no fist off of my local front. So all of my TikTok auntie, my Instagram auntie, my Instagram mother and all of this, lift up off of the ends, make look a thing go on. Because I know over here. And I not going to feel good for do certain things over here and over here. I know over here. So I beg you go on. Because I just up on TikTok. Junk, I not junk. I just up on TikTok and hear one of them say why them can't come over here. Mommy Julie say why she can't come. I don't understand Mommy Julie. Stay over TikTok. I come over here, come down. I want them already said don't come. So if them come and buck up in and ice not there neither. Ice is in good care. I don't even know if I love her what she like. Because she look a bit of saucy too, you know. She a Tommy, you know. They look a bit of saucy. Don Julio.
No, I ain't no thing. I don't think so.
Holy shit. God damn. Boy, bring your wood come now, man. Yeah, blood tie friend upon phone so long. Bring your wood come. This not gonna work in a chat. Come here, go and go call him right now, you know.
No, never.
Cause me have white liver, you know. Me have white liver. Me can't satisfy as me get some, me buy some. I me get some what? Babe! They're asking for you. Guys, the movie start. We're gonna watch Final Destination at 11 o'clock at the theater. We already buy our ticket so we can't adjust it. So we're gonna go to a sneak peek after we come back from the theater. We'll come back by around 12 a.m. Cause we have to go now.
12 a.m. Y'all heard?
12 a.m.
They said before? No, before. No, start now. Hey, shut y'all bitch ass up. Nigga, 12, nigga.
No, guys, but I like after because I can't bother for strip now and the thing that I miss the theater. Theater 11 o'clock. King
12.
doesn't. King is a stallion. He can never come.
Literally.
So it's gonna be a long ass.
I go round after round. Nigga. They said, no, before, after.
No, guy, we have to do it after because it's level 51. We gotta leave out now. When you take two, when you take two pull off of that, we go.
Alright.
Look, we looking up.
They said it's 9:51.
No, it's 10. It's 10:51 and the theater start 11 o'clock. We gotta watch Final Destination at 11. Judge our God. They're hard. Yes.
It's how I just sleep.
No, you're not chatting, drop it.
They're liar.
Someone say they're not in no talking. Drop the video right now.
Drop the video right now.
They say no talking right now. Just drop the video. They serious. I have
They
work.
said go and come back quick. Nigga, how are we supposed to skip past the movie?
It lame, no go. No, guys, we pay for it. We're going to have all night because we have an early flight tomorrow. So we're going to... Why y'all look alike? We look alike. I don't think so. Maybe. Maybe.
Is it a prank? Nah, a prank is crazy.
No, we going to... So let's be honest with them, babe, right?
Yeah.
So to be honest, y'all know that not everyone posts everything on Twitter.
Nah, fact.
You post small clips on Twitter to get you over OnlyFans. And a lot of people, they come on Twitter and they don't understand Twitter like myself. I had to get to understand it. If you post everything, say we make a fuck video, right?
Yeah.
And we come in live now and we just fucking live right now. Everybody already seen we fucking live. So they're not going to be that interested to go buy the video over OnlyFans because they already see we fucking live. You understand what I'm saying? So it's like, we could give you like...
The movie is lame as fuck. You crazy. That movie's not lame, bro.
So we could give you like a sneak peek, like just vibing on live or whatever. But then we'll make videos and you got to subscribe to the OnlyFans. You got to subscribe, bro. And you got to pay for it on OnlyFans like how everybody else do it. Not everybody gonna come on Twitter live and give you like a little preview thing.
Listen, bro, if y'all can't get 20 fucking bucks, nigga, figure it out, nigga. Nigga, go in that Duffy, nigga. Just literally go in that Duffy, bro. Y'all be going shit for free, bro, and no, dude, just a peek. Hey.
Yeah, you could go on my page to subscribe. You could also go on King's page to subscribe. It doesn't matter anyway. Benefits the same way. But we are gonna like
10:53 now.
We gonna give y'all like a little preview. But we definitely gonna make videos for OnlyFans. 100K, y'all go Ivany. What that mean?
We in Jamaican, we broke.
What that mean? Get a fan base. Lot money.
Fan base. People need to set up. What is a fan base? Hurry up.
Time. Y'all match. I know.
Listen, bro. Just go sub up, chat. Y'all have to sub up, bro.
Hey, man, I fuck like me blind. I know y'all want to see this pretty face. Bacon, I fuck good.
That bitch said sound lotion.
Can I fuck good? I can't fuck good. I'm asking you.
You asking me?
Yeah.
That's something y'all shall see. But nah, she's crazy. Chat, she is crazy. Like, what? It said, thank you, rich yet. Now go rich.
I think you're wrong.
What do you mean?
Okay, can I suck dick good?
Oh, fantastic. Alright, yo. It said you lie?
Lie about what?
Hey, eat dick, nigga. Eat that, nigga.
Lie about what? Embarrassing, but you're here. I should have put his dick in my mouth. Now you gonna see embarrassment shit. Bitch ass. The fuck
Nah, real shit. It's talking about, can we see a sneak peek though? Nigga, get your broke ass on. Broke ass. I literally came to a conclusion that all the people that want to see sneak peeks are just broke. Like, y'all are broke.
See it, but
nigga, get some
when
money.
we get back from the theater.
Nah, facts. When we get back, and that's not gonna be until yeah.
Ooh. That get me in the mood. We in our what's this? No, guys, I definitely. Ooh. Candy over here to blood clean. Candy is my best friend.
Said, why y'all sitting down?
Cause he feeling up my pussy right now. Y'all missed the movie already. Oh my god, we should go.
No, we really should.
Go light your shit up and then we go. Hurry. You find it? May I tell you, say by the hook or the crook, you have to get a little piece of preview. I mean, I mean have a hole, you know. Without me now, nothing for ram, you know. And if you don't want to ram this, me go for shut a man around there. Use him and then take 2 pills after. Alright. But may I tell you, I got you. We're gonna do this. So we're going to the movie. Oh my god, babe. Hurry, let's go. Look, Panking, as soon as the movie over, may I come back. May I go to 20 minutes. Cause we can't do 30 and we can't do 1 hour, guys. Cause if we do that, nobody not gonna buy our video them. Cause we don't see fucking already. Be real. Just be real. Remember say rent doing us. High school fee have to pay no. Ice family have to buy no. Rent have to pay no. Immigration law have to pay no. $20 minutes long. No, why 20 minutes not long? Cause you might not know what me are gonna do in that 20 minutes. You might not know what me are going to do in that 20 minutes. Me can't take 20 minutes and don't even push your cocky in. Me can't take 20 minutes and kiss for 20 minutes. Me not have to push in the hood. So 20 minutes as soon as the movie done and then you come over OnlyFans, come subscribe from now and come buy on the video them. And also me gonna post one 1 hour video for my page. Cause if people then can't pay $20 for subscribe and then end up come pay $150 for one video or 2 bills for one video or $100 for one video, that now go right, that could be like robbery. So I'm gonna pay $20 for subscription and then I have to post one 1 hour 1 minute video on OnlyFans itself or 2 minute video so you can watch. Babe! Guys, the boy would big! He would been so. Babe, you ready? It's 11 o'clock. Okay. The boy would bend so. Big and Raja would World Dog would Swiss would Slime would Jabas would Jaden Hood. GX hood, Jerry hood, all type of hood we can take, but I would have big hood. Big hood. How you manage it? Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. And one time me I fuck my little toe bend in a tomb. I'm big toe bend. I say no fuck good, you know. When your toe then start bend so. You know fuck good. That period things go on. Baby, you will see when I get back. You'll see when I get back.
It's sticky pan, literally. Anyway, people, we're not go long. This no longer, you know. Bless.